Do you suffer from insomnia, or have you suffered with insomnia for a long time? You've tried over-the-counter medication, you've tried all the prescription tablets that are there, but you are still chasing your tail. So most people that have got insomnia which does not respond to this type of treatments have got a significant gut issue, gut inflammation. And I want to explain to you the three ways in which gut inflammation causes you to have insomnia. So one of the ways is that when you've got gut inflammation, you're making these inflammatory molecules, or what we call cytokines, interleukin-6, tumor necrosis factor. So what happens is that there is a crosstalk that happens between the gut and the brain through the vagus nerve. Remember, the vagus nerve is that big nerve that connects the brain with the gut. So when that happens, there's neural stimulation, and that means that the brain is alert, it's in the sympathetic fight or flight. So no sleeping is going to take place then. So that's one of the ways. The other way is through leaky gut. When you've got gut inflammation, you get leaky gut, which means basically things are leaking through the wall and going into the circulatory system. So one of the things that happens is that we've got these bacteria that are undesirable, and when there's too many of them and they leak through the system, so they are part of this bacteria, which is called LPS, or endotoxins, which means, endo meaning toxins that are coming from the inside. They're gonna go through the leaky gut, through the circulatory system, they get to the brain, and they can cross what's called the blood-brain barrier. They get into the brain, they cause neural stimulation again. So that's another sympathetic situation. So you're not going to be able to sleep, okay? The third one, which is really, really important, and I want you to pay attention to this because I find that this is overlooked a lot by practitioners. So this is methylation. So one of the things that methylation is your ability to make certain neurotransmitters, break them down, recycle them. And which neurotransmitters are we talking about? Melatonin, serotonin, and GABA. So can you see how gut inflammation is one of the most overlooked things that one can address? So if you have tried everything, you've got nothing to lose, fixing your gut is going to give you a lot more benefits. It's going to make sure that you're not going to get these chronic diseases that come with time over a long period. But, fixing your gut so that you can sleep is a no-brainer.